Welcome back everyone. We are yet here again with another video. And today's videos is about how can we send or post data from outside to a bubble database. If there's anything you need to post external data, set of data, a list of something, you can just post it to bubble right away. Even if you're building an external application to support bubble, just like in my use case, I was building one for a client that needed a web view app. So I was able to send data to my bubble application. Right here you'll see that I've made a table for API, and I've named 3 fields. I've created 3 fields down here. The first one is named name, the second one right here is URL, and the third one here is for user. So what I will do next is go to my settings, API. I'll enable the second, enable data API. I'll check this button. The next thing I'll do is select the table, to what table I'll be sending the data to. In my case it's API, so the API table is checked here. And I will check this, use field display instead of ID for key names. I'll check this button, and here bubble will automatically generate a key and an API token label that is named key. You can name it whatever, like for instance you can name it post, and then there's a private key here that would be generated. You can regenerate it if any security concerns, if you're receiving unanimous data in any case. Now here I go to postman.co. Postman is a testing app that allows you to test sending data to your application. So I'll copy this data API root URL, and I'll paste it. I'll select post. Here we can also get data, delete data, copy data, and the list goes on. In our case we are posting data, so we'll post data to the object folder, and right here I'll write API because that's the table we are posting to. Now there are parameters. The key, in our case the key is post, so I'll write post here, and then I'll just copy this and I'll paste it in a postman. The next thing I do is go to the body. The first field was named name, the URL, and the user. I'll take these fields. I want to fill in these fields. The name I can write Chakor for instance. The URL can be anything. And the user, my case it's me, Tashbeeb. The next thing we'll do is simply send data. So here we get a message for success and a unique ID for the post call we've just made. Right here in our database, we'll go to our database and app data, and this is the last call we made. The name was Chakor, the URL was something like this, and the user was Tashbib, and it was created August 16, the time right now 6:33 p.m., and it was created by the app admin, that is me, because we have provided it with the private key that ensures that the admin is sending the data to the Bubble applications database. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, post it down in the comment section, and we'll be sure to get back to you with answers. Thank you.